Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I've made a white bean salad. I'm going to show you how to make this today with a few ingredients and we don't have to heat that kitchen up. Let's get started. First we're going to start with 2 cans of cannellini beans. Each can has 15.5 ounces or 439 grams. You can use fresh if you like, it's definitely up to you. Or you can use any white bean that you would like. Now we want to take those and dump those into a colander. We want to drain that liquid off and we're going to take these to the sink and give these a good rinse. Next, I've got a half a cup of California sun-dried tomatoes. These are the Julienne cut with herbs, and I've got about a half a cup here, and we'll go ahead and add those to our beans. Next, I've got 7 spring onions. I've given these a good wash, and we're going to cut these down into little pieces here, all the way from the green down to the white. So give these a good chop, and we're going to go ahead and add these to our beans. Next, I've got a nice handful size of parsley here. I'm going to use my knife here and give these a good chop, and then we'll add those to our mixture as well. Next, I've got about 4 or 5 sprigs of dill. I'm going to use my knife again and give these a really good chop on these. And this is going to add so much flavor to our beans, and we'll go ahead and add that in. Now for our tomatoes, I've got about 9 or 10 cherry tomatoes here, and I'm going to go ahead and give these a cut into quarters. And for the bigger ones, I might even cut those a little bit smaller. If you've got the grape tomatoes, you can definitely use those, cut those in half, or whatever tomato you got, just cut them into small bite-sized pieces. And then we'll add them into our other ingredients. I've got about 1.25 cups of our tomatoes here. Now for our olives here, I absolutely love olives. These are black pitted Kalamata olives and some green pitted olives. I'm going to chop these up into small pieces. And if you don't like olives, you can definitely leave these out. I love them, and I'm going to add them into my other ingredients. Now I've got just a few of the crushed red pepper flakes. If you don't want them that hot, you can definitely don't have to put those in. Now let's start making our dressing for our salad. I've got 2 garlic cloves here, and I'm going to mince those up pretty small here, and we're going to put those into a container. Now I'm going to cut up some lemons and squeeze those. I want 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice for my dressing. And I've got some good quality olive oil here. I want 1/2 cup of olive oil for the dressing. Now let's close up that container and give it a good shake to mix all of that together. And then we're going to spread some over the top of the salad. I'm going to hold back a little bit here just in case I need some when I get to the table, or somebody might want a little bit more for their portion. Now I've got a block of feta cheese here. I'm going to crumble up some around on my salad. Definitely you can have some more when you get your portion at your plate, but you can put a good fair amount in here, and then we're going to mix that together. Now that I've got my salad put together, I've got mine plated here, but you can definitely leave it in the bowl that you had it in. You can put it in the refrigerator and wait for your dinner or whenever you're going to be enjoying this. You can definitely take this for a potluck if you want to make this ahead of time. This is definitely a great dish for that. It is one of those things that you don't have to cook, and it just goes right into the refrigerator. So let's give this a taste and see what this tastes like. This is a really great dish. All those flavors are coming together. We've got that feta cheese, those tomatoes, those sun-dried tomatoes, and that oil. That's bringing out that extra flavor in those, and those beans, that dill and that parsley, all merges together to make a great dish. I did hold some of the dressing back just in case when you get ready to serve it, you might want to put some more on the top of it, or somebody might want a little bit extra on their plate. Definitely you can cover the whole thing, or hold some of it back in reserve, and if anybody needs any more, then you definitely got it on hand. If you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And while you're at it, check out one of these other 2 videos over here on the side. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Give this recipe a try. I know you're going to love it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye now.